See here, this is my Facebook page, A3 Furnitures. How to promote my YouTube videos using with my Facebook page. I need my video views using with my Facebook page. What the stages will be planning for promote my website using with the Facebook page or YouTube. But I'm discussing about that videos how to promote using with the Facebook page. There are three ways. One is called edit videos, video along with the large thumbnail. Third will option call is video we adding with where our website or blogger. Now first of all discuss about that. I'm going to my YouTube channel. I can promote this video. Now just click here. This video I'm uploading with this share. So the option will be showing for three options here. Share and embed and Gmail. Sorry, email. I click for embed. So copy this code. You can place where for blogger will be like this. First time go to the YouTube video, select the one video, share, option called is embed, code we can place by where our blogger will be like this. Now first of all here, select your title here. I am selecting for title. So before that, one option called is Facebook. I'm sharing with where? First of all, YouTube to blogger, blogger to share your Facebook page. Now select it. Now that. There's the page. But here sometime will be image not appear. Just first click here. A page will be done. I'm checking for. So far. Manufacturers. A3 Furnitures. So you can write as the click for post to Facebook. So just go to your page, refresh. Suppose the blogger does not have a share button option. The blogger or website that don't have option for share button option. So what is that? Okay, what we'll do? Copy the blogger or website URL page by where direct into the your Facebook page. There are two options. What is called share button will appear like this. Okay, it's fine, but I don't have an option. I can promote my video with my own image. Just click, copy this URL. Same URL is a previous image. Now we can update by just click, copy this one. What I'm changing for image. Select the image. One is called share button. Second will be without share. Just previous one, delete it. Now, so for sales in Hyderabad, any places. A3 Furnitures. You can give the here. Now for that, check in. The option called Hyderabad. Click for publish. Previous I'm sharing with where YouTube. I'm saying for embed code. I'm going to where blogger. To this one. Now, just I'm going to set this one. I'm going to scroll here. Just I'm taking for videos. Previous I'm taking for sofa manufacturers in that. So just go to videos. I'm taking for another video. So just scroll down here. What that? Sofa sales in Hyderabad. Just copy this one URL. I don't have a blogger and website. I don't have a blogger and website, but I can promoting this video with a login. Using with what option call is fblinker.com, fblinker.com or thumbtube.com. Log with your Facebook. Copy the YouTube URL. Now take this. Now click for submit. Share it on Facebook. Where set your page. A3 furniture. Now click here. Sofa furniture store. So I'm trending for continue using with the hashtag. Why purpose of trending for my keyword. So yeah. So always I'm trending for my company name. What that? A3 furnitures. So I give them my number is 87122 3212. Now click for post. First time take along with the website to sharing with the where my page. Second will be called YouTube video. Take the last thumbnail purpose. FB link thumb tube. Share the Facebook page. Now will be got the here. This complete for 3 steps. One is called YouTube to share to social media. Second will be called for last thumbnail purpose. We take the FB link and thumb tube. Third will be take the website. Okay, share to video on your website to your page. Now just refresh here. Now my content will be present by the web page. Compare the 3 steps which is a better website to video sharing. That is called my blogger. Just here, close the all tabs. My content places my where? Here. So I'm scrolling the option here. I'm ready for this offer. Now just before sharing, just right click, edit post. So for sales, 3 plus 1 plus 1 is a set format. Any places in Hyderabad. Here, Hyderabad, I can just putting for follow is there hashtag. Suppose one place you order keyword by hashtag. Same tag don't give the multiple times. Only if accept by the one time. So just here, copy this one. Now click for done editing. Now it's done. So we will share page to groups, relevant groups. Now select sharing will be 2 options. What is that? One is called page, second will be called profile. But I'm sharing the content always page. Why? Page to group sharing, they increase my page likes. So always sharing with the page here. Now click for share. Share. So what option select by here? Share in a group. Now select by the Hyderabad. So I'm seeking for here. Nothing will be there. Selecting for business. Spread your business. Now click. So along with my content, what is the option call is my page will promote waiting for likes. Click for post. Before that, checking what the place will be there. Hyderabad. Click for post. So first of all, before sharing that, relevant groups are very important. How to add the relevant groups? Go to your Facebook page. I'm searching for furniture sales. Furniture sales. These are furniture. Now we'll go to the groups. Over that. Click for here. You can go with this furniture sales are Hyderabad. My business only for Hyderabad. The groups are how many groups are there? Only for 2 groups. But common group is that spread the news. What the common group is? Spread the news. Now click share, share, add your group. The option call is business. So for that, Hyderabad business and franchises. Click for post. Before posting, there are one option will be there. What is that? Including for original post. Original post purpose of getting for my page likes. There are 2 advantages. One is called is promoting my business along with the website. Second will be called our page promote along with the groups. Group will be promoting 2. What is that? Facebook page likes and second will be called my website traffic along with the YouTube traffic also. Website generated by the YouTube traffic. Total advantage will be called 3 advantages. Page likes, website traffic, website generated by the video views. Now click for checking. I click for Hyderabad. So there will be content will be posting for page to groups. Per day, how many groups we can submit? Only for 10 groups, relevant traffic groups. Please write down common will be there. Spread the news, startup business. Spread the news. You have to add the groups. Spread. See here. If you just spread, see this entertainment, spread the word in Hyderabad. Now select it. Common point is spread the word, spread the news. And get in touch. Common groups are get in touch. This is very important interview question. Group name is get in touch. See here, searching for. So I'm not adding group here. So I'm adding with the. See. So if you're adding, there will be common group here. So I'm adding with only for spread your business. One is the spread the news, it will be get in touch. 2 groups are very common groups are your Facebook for getting for more business. Based on your requirement, add your groups. Don't post the wrong groups. That is called spam content. Facebook treat as the spam content. It's clear? This is called promote your videos. These are ways promoting ways using with the Facebook page to groups. Any videos very important is called videos to website to page to groups. This is a promotion part. This is called 3 advantages. Facebook likes, website traffic, and video traffic. This will 3 will help for the ending with your money with the website.